open my eyes this morning, I know that I am blessed. I wanna dance, yes, I wanna sing tonight. I look at that, you know. Heart is overflowing with joy and love and happiness. There is so much things to say tonight in our Ruggu Dat concert. Professor Nuts, you're stronger, yeah. You're a fighter, reaching higher to where you've never been before. You are stronger, and you're a fighter. You will make your stand. Here you are. You are number one.
Number one.
Number one. Ruggu Dat.
Ruggu Dat.
Why I tell you. Remember we went there with one coffee house and I sat back out over there. You never did that plan for this one. I know. It's all love. Your family them love you, everybody love you, your fans them love you. Are you ready why you so? Let's say Kizzy I try to find a note and sing. I have two little hits and I go on, so I'm going to try to sing them theme and Sony man. Now I'm going to go feel people on the internet station. So, we got a good time, man, fix and thing. You know, we got a good time, man. Yellow man, big up yourself. My name is Althea Hewitt. Whoa, la, 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 la. So when we say, do me, you got me waiting. Come on and do me. Stop pretending. That's all that is. Here we are, come on from, in this big old empty room. Staring each other down. You want me just as much as I want you. So let's stop fooling around. Take me, Professor Nuts. Kiss me all over. Honey, baby, my love. It's never out of season. So baby, please stop teasing me. Whoa, what you do, but I could never love no other. Yo, you're the best they've ever had. Whenever you life will cross Professor Nuts' father. You want to say something?
Well, you seem so sweet. Do you take this awful man to be an awful woman?
Come here. I did this song and it went to #1. And I'm going to dedicate it especially to you. It's my favorite song. Favorite song now. Yeah, kind of grew up on me now, so I hear a tune. Hey, what I'm enjoying myself, don't it?
Yo.
Let me make some noise, man.
Yes.
What I know I can't sing like her. Sure. It's a wonderful night. Professor Nuts, you're having fun. You feel good. The Lord and the people sing to you too. No. So we have